feeding time. I usually feed them in the morning, but this extra. Look at these two little ones right here, these Old English. They're so cute. Look how tiny they are. They're funny. A whole bunch of chickies. Horses in the background getting their night hay. Oh, and up here we don't have that tree anymore. Just off. Just the sky. Used to have 3 trees right there. Darn hurricanes. They just destroy everything. There's my little babies. They're so cute. Little man, little girl. Everyone have a good Saturday. Cheers.